to the mailbox and back.
On your mark, get set, go. And back.
On your mark, get set, go. On the left.
That's right, get your arms going, just like Coach taught you. Here she comes. Amber, you made it, and now Rosie made it. How did it feel?
Good.
How did it feel, Amber?
Good.
How did it feel, Rosie?
Good.